Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're having the issue that your Face ID required because your stolen device protection has been turned on, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you have to simply open your settings and you have to try to turn off or disable your stolen device protection. So scroll down and define Face ID and passcode, and here you just have to enter your Apple passcode, and then just scroll down and you'll find the option of stolen device protection. Select that, then tap on it to turn it off. You can use your Face ID to turn it off. Once you have turned off, your issue will be fixed, and now you will not get an issue of this type that your Face ID required, and your stolen device protection has been enabled on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.